Hello students, in the previous video we learned about the index form numbers, means when the index of any rational number is m upon n form. Now in this video we are going to learn about cube and cube root. As we know that cube means if any number multiplied 3 times itself, that is a cube, because we know this square and square root how to find, and cube also. So similarly, if any number, so first example 5 into 5 into 5. Here 5 we multiplied 3 times, that's why it is 5 raised to 3, and we have to read as cube of 5. And the value of this cube of 5 is 5 5s are, it's not 5 3s are 15. It is 5 into 5 25. 25 5s are 125. 125. That is the cube of 5. Similarly, if any number, suppose a into a into a, it is 3 times, so a raised to 3 or cube of a. Cube of a. So from this we are understanding when any number multiplied itself 3 times, then that is the cube of that number. So then how to find the cube root of that number? As we know that in the last year we learned how to find the square root of that number. Means when we have to write the factors, prime factors of that number, and we have to make the group of or pair of same numbers, and from each pair we have to take one number, and the product of those number is the square root. Similarly here we have to write the prime factors of that number, and we have to make the group of those numbers, then we can find the cube root of that number. For example, now I am taking this number only 125. So next topic is cube root. Then how to find the cube root? First number is 125. Then we have to write using the symbol. As we know that square root means just we are writing the symbol of square root. But when we are writing the cube root of that number, cube root of 125 using symbol, we have to write in this way. This 3 is before the square root sign, and here 125. That is the cube root of 125. Then how to find this cube root? We have to write the prime factors. Prime factors means by horizontal method or by vertical method. Now I am telling both methods here. 125, as 5 is in the unit place, means this number is divisible by 5. So 5 into 25. 25 5s are 125. That's why here it will come 25. If you are not understanding, then this 125 divided by this 5. So here you will get 125 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 left, and here take 5. 5 5s are 25. So here you will get 25. So this 25 I have written. Then it is equal to this 5 is prime number only into, and factors of 25, again it will come 5 into 5. Now 5 is the prime number as we know. So we cannot find now any factors, because 5 itself is the prime number, and the prime numbers are having only 2 factors as 1 and the number itself only. So here 5 and 5, we got this 5 3 times. So we can write in this form also 5 raised to 3. So 125 is equal to 5 raised to 3, and then cube root of 125 is equal to, now 5 raised to 3 raised to 1 upon 3, because cube root means it is 1 upon 3, and it is equal to 5 raised to 3 into 1 upon 3. This 3 will cancel, and the answer will come 5 only. So in the simple way, just when you are finding the cube root of any number, then find the prime factors of those numbers and make the group of 3 numbers, 3 same numbers, and from each number you have to take one digit and write the product of all digits, which is the cube root of that number. So next example is here. Next example, 512. 512. We have to find factors of 512. Now here I have taken horizontal method to find the prime factors. Now I am taking here vertical method to find the prime factors. So 512, as we know that if 2 is in the unit place, that number is divisible by 2 only. If 2, 4, 6 and 8 is at the unit place, then that number is divisible by 2. So here 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4, 1 left, write this one, 1 and 1, it becomes 11. Then 2 5s are 10, again 1 left here, and here 12, 5 6 are, 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is there at the unit place, so this number is divisible by 2. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 8s are 16. Again 8 is here, means it is divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 1 left here, 2 6s are 12, then 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and here 2 1s are 1. Now here you have to write factors of those number till you are getting 1. So here 512 we can write now. 512 is equal to how many times 2 is there? 1. Now I am making the group of 3 numbers. Making the group of 3 same numbers. So here 2 into 2 into 2. This is the first group. Again here 2 into 2 into 2. This is the second group. Again 2 into 2 into 2. This is the third. And it is equal to, therefore, now cube root of 512 is equal to, from this group 1 into, from this group 1 into, from this group 1, which is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Therefore, the cube root of 512, cube root of 512 is equal to 8. Now, as we know that square and square of any positive and negative number, square of any positive and negative number is positive only. Here, if any negative number is there, then cube of that negative number is negative only. Cube of that negative number is negative, and cube of positive number is positive. Similarly, cube root of negative number is negative. Similarly, cube root of negative number is negative. So we have to use any method, horizontal method or vertical method, to find the cube root of those numbers. I hope you have understood whole this procedure, how to find the cube root of that number or cube of those numbers. Now you have to use any method to solve these sums. Thank you, students.